Experience the ultimate expression of luxury and sophistication. Crafted for timeless elegance. Make it yours.
Alright guys, you've probably seen the video and the kind of ads you can create like this. In this complete course, I'll show you exactly how you can create these types of ads easily. As you can see, you can create these kinds of ads for YouTube, Social Blade, and many other platforms. I'll explain everything step by step in this complete course. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. You can also make these types of ads and work online. As you can see, people are already creating ads like these for YouTube, Social Blade, Fiverr, Upwork, and many other platforms. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright guys, first of all, what you need to do is open the website. I'll provide the link in the description. Just click on the link and log into the website. Once you log in with your email, you will receive some credits at the beginning. After that, you need to select Create a Portrait Model. Once you select it, you'll see something like this. First of all, you can upload and select your own image here if you want. Otherwise, you can go to the Other Model option and select the features according to your requirements. Here, you can select the movement, age, height, and other details. Then, you can choose the type of person you want, such as South Asian, Australian, American, and so on. I'm going to select American. After that, you need to select the build model. You can choose whichever option looks suitable for your project. Then you can select the eye color. You can choose gray, brown, green, or whatever you prefer. I'm going to select brown eyes. Next, you can select the hairstyle. There are many different hairstyles available here, so you can choose whichever one you like. I'm going to select this hairstyle. After that, you can also choose the hair color. I'm going to select black. You can also add features like dimples if you want. Now, you need to add your prompt. You can use the same prompt you want for your perfume advertisement. You can create the prompt using ChatGPT, or I'll also provide you with a prompt that you can use. After that, simply click on Generate. It will take a little while, but it won't take too long. After some time, it will start generating your image. As you can see, the image has been generated, and it looks really good. You can also see the AI tag here. Now, I'm going to reduce the age a little bit and click on Generate again. Another image will be generated. Image has been generated. I really like this character, so I'm going to generate one more image. Another image has also been generated. You can choose whichever image you like. I'm going to select this one. After selecting your image, you need to enter the model name. I'll write perfume. Then, in the description, you need to add your prompt. After that, click on Create Your Image Model. Once you click on it, you'll see something like this. It will take a little while, but again, it won't take too long. Now guys, here you have several different options, including art style, clothing, and many more. First, we need to change the clothing. So I'll click on Clothing. Here, you can choose different options such as casual, suit, and 3D styles. You can select whichever style you prefer. I'm going to select a suit because it matches my prompt. After that, you can choose the style according to your requirements. You can also select an art texture or any other option that looks good to you. I'm going to select this stage style option because it works well for my advertisement. You can continue selecting the other options according to your requirements. If you want, you can also select the landscape and weather settings. However, I don't need those options. Once you paste the prompt, click on the platform option. Here you can choose the platform where you want to create your video. For example, if you want to create a YouTube short, you can select a 15-second or 30-second video, depending on what you need. You can also create longer videos if the option is available. After that, click on Generate. It will take some time, and after generating, you'll see that your video has started being created. Now, here you need to click on Ultra, because this is using the Seedance 2.5 model. Make sure you select Ultra here. Once you select it, it will show Powered by Seedance 2.5 HD. I'm going to select Ultra. Now, we need to select the voice. To select the voice, simply click on Voice Model. Here, you can choose any voice model you like. I'm going to click on Young because I like this voice model. After selecting the voice, click on Generate. You can see everything is now ready. You can see that our complete video is ready and all the elements, including the perfume and everything else, have been generated. Alright guys, after this, what do? The video is ready, and as you can see, the result is really amazing. Now guys, let me show you another feature of this website. So, what is the second feature? Here, I'm going to change the age and a few other settings. Everything else is fine, so I'll keep the muscular build and the other settings as they are. Now I'm going to paste another prompt. This time, I want to generate a different girl, so you need to paste a different type of prompt according to the character you want. As soon as I paste the prompt, you can see that a new girl will be generated. Selecting it, I'll simply click on Select and Continue. Now, here is the second option, which is Image to Video. This means you can use any image you want. You can upload your own image or use any other image. You can even use an image as a reference and make changes according to your requirements. Basically, you can do whatever you want here. I'm going to upload an image here. There are also many different options available. You can go to Add Frame and select an image, or you can upload your own image. You can also use someone else's image if you want. Here, you can see that there are many different models available, and you can select whichever one you like. Alright guys, now you can see that everything is ready. You just need to paste your prompt here. The voiceover is also ready. I'm going to set the duration to 10 seconds and then click on Generate. It will take a little while, but it won't take too long. After a little while, you can see that the girl is now promoting the perfume along with the watch. I've added the watch here, as you can see. So, this is how you can create videos and advertisements using this platform. You can create almost anything you want: advertisements, promotional videos, social media content, and much more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll bring you more videos like this in the future. Thank you.